Welcome to Luke's Amazing World, and today I'm going to show you my mock. It's cuckoo bananas, trust me. Okay, I gotta show you something. Follow me, camera. Follow me. Da 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 da. And then dirt. There's dirt in my bum. There's dirt in my bum. Okay, anyways, can you see this guy? He's calling in more clones. And this is not supposed to be there. Just kidding, it's supposed to be there. I'm just trying to meme with you guys. And if you come over here, this isn't supposed to be, just kidding, this is supposed to be here. This dude's supposed to be here. And this dude's not supposed to be here. Wait, why is Sonic here? Just kidding, I put him down. So anyways, if you see those guys anywhere else in the video, like and subscribe. Okay, so here's a dead body. Report. Dead body. Are you okay with it? Look at this dude. He has a cannon. Let's trust him. Just kidding. Don't trust the bad guys. Only trust good guys. Oh yeah, come over here. Do you see a clone trooper kicking off a droid? And the whole this droid with this. I forgot what it's called. I'm sorry that I haven't been making videos for a while. If you don't know, the Simpsons mini season's out. Anyways, right here is my own custom build. You just need two of like these builds. And you can also build this. You can also build this. Oh yeah, you have to come under here. It's so cool. There's many dudes. And can you see Ahsoka Tano back there? Ahsoka. And now we must come and say hi to Captain Rex.
What about right here?
Don't look at the butt. Anyways, here's Captain Rex. He's one of my favorite characters. Obi-Wan Kenobi. Here's a droid trying to kill this guy. Oh yeah, this is Oddball. I'm pretty sure. This is one of my favorite Lego sets. I've been asking for this Lego set for a really long time. Anyways, over here, there's another Ahsoka. And over here is the Mandalorian. And over here is Dad. Is non-living dudes because there's no one inside. And anyways, there's these little Lego sets. These are my mom and dad's. And anyways, whatever this thing is, my brother probably made it. This is Yoda Tana's spaceship. Just kidding. His name is not Yoda Tana. It's Yoda. And here is a mech. I forgot to do that. And anyways, I don't know if stuff are in here. Nothing in there. If you don't know, I really like this feature. There's like some space underneath here where you could put these guys in this Republic fighter tank. This is my favorite one. A favorite thing I own. Well, mine. And anyways, this is a Lego set for the 25th anniversary of Lego Star Wars. Star Wars, Dad, you're not supposed to do that. It's not during that time. Anyways, basically, this is... Oh, I just remembered. If you saw this before, I remembered that I put this in. You have to like and subscribe. And anyways, I use a little cool building technique here to make this stay up. I put the piece down right here. It's super cool. And I can't believe they put an illegal building technique there. That Lego set. Anyways, I took apart a microfiber. This is not in a microfiber though. This is not in a microfiber. This stuff is. That's where I got my Captain Rex made big. The Captain Rex microfiber. Oh yeah, do you want to see some really fun technique? These really fun play features about this one set. It goes boom! And then boom! That's so cool, right, Daddy? Right?
That is right, yep.
And anyways, I think that should be done for today. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.